The UK economy just surprised experts with unexpected growth, but an energy price shock looms. What's really driving this and what happens next? Recent data shows the UK economy posted growth that beat forecasts ahead of a major energy price shock. While many expected sluggish performance, the economy showed resilience, indicating stronger consumer spending and business activity. This unexpected boost challenges pessimistic outlooks and suggests underlying strengths in sectors like services and manufacturing. However, this growth surge happened just before energy costs began to rise sharply, threatening this positive momentum. The looming energy price shock could derail the recent growth gains. Increasing energy costs impact households and businesses, squeezing budgets and raising operational expenses. This shock comes at a critical time when the economy was gaining momentum, potentially causing slower growth or contraction in coming months. Policymakers and companies will need to brace for higher costs that could ripple across inflation, consumer demand, and business investment. The energy price surge hits hardest for everyday consumers and businesses reliant on energy, such as manufacturing and transportation. Families may face higher utility bills, reducing disposable income and spending power. For companies, rising energy expenses increase costs, forcing some to cut back or pass prices on to customers. This pressure could slow hiring and investment, threatening jobs and economic activity despite recent growth. Going forward, the UK government and Bank of England must navigate this energy price shock carefully. Supporting growth while managing inflation will be key to avoiding recession. Strategies may include energy subsidies, targeted fiscal policies, or interest rate adjustments. The next quarters will reveal if the economy can sustain its surprising strength or if the energy crunch forces a slowdown. With energy prices climbing, you can take steps to mitigate impact. For households, conserving energy and budgeting for higher bills will help. Businesses should evaluate energy efficiency and cost controls to weather increased expenses. Staying informed on government relief programs and economic updates can also provide support. Being proactive now can protect your finances and stability as the economy adjusts. The UK economy's surprising growth is a bright spot amid challenges, but the energy price shock threatens to change the picture fast. This affects your bills, jobs, and spending power. Stay alert, plan ahead, and subscribe for updates on how these economic shifts impact your daily life and future.